Alright, so we got this Monogram that is having issues with encoders dropping out. I've replaced the right encoder recently, the main board today. The left encoder was replaced about 4 years ago. The only common parts between the two is the main board and the harness. GE saying non-repairable. I don't know, what do you guys think? Is randomly dropping out. But there we go. Perfect timing. And you can turn them on just again, you know, by moving the knob. So, any of you guys seen this before? You got a fix for me? Maybe it's, I mean, there's a main board up here, then there's a board for each oven, and I'll post the model in the description.